Jake over there. We're getting our stuff ready for tomorrow. Your stuff, my stuff. It's just something to tie on. Okay.
I still want to shake you.
Dude, I'm tired.
I don't believe you!
I don't think you have one.
Huh?
I said I don't think I have one.
I'll find it.
Got my stuff here. I'm hungry. We already figured out what the pattern's gonna be.
Hey, YouTube.
There's Bassin for life, also known as Jake.
Life.
Yeah. And we already figured out what the pattern is. We're gonna go.
From Pickerel. Good catch up.
So we figured out the pattern, and we're gonna go deep, and we're gonna be using drop shot. So we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna get back to the lake. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah.
We got one. What the hell? Where'd you catch him?
Right in there, man. Look. Look. He's got. Look at his lips, dude.
Bottom feeding.
He's bottom feeding, man. Thank you for running some lipstick, buddy. Thank you.
My drop shot, please. I want your
Dude,
buddies to go
watch. He's gonna go all the way to the bottom when if he lets go of my thumb. Okay, then. Do that.
I like to get closer than what I'm doing now.
There we go. There we go. Do that. Oh, dude, that's one of those.
Oh, it is?
Oh, dude, it's a nice one.
Don't put your hand in your mouth.
Oh, dude. Oh, man, it's one of those pickerel.
Careful.
Whoa. Dude, that's a nice pickerel, though. Man.
You got that on shore.
Yeah, I know. Man, look at that toothy little critter. Dude, that's a nice one. How am I gonna do this? Am I? Yeah, I'm still recording. Dude, I'll tell you what though, he scared the crap out of me. Alright, so how am I gonna do this? Oh, we're that close to shore? Alright.
Oh, I see it. I'm gonna...
What? Oh, you got that.
I got it. Oh, damn.
Man, he's slimy. Alright, so how am I gonna do this? Dude, we're both screwed right now.
We're both freaking screwed. Hold on. Hold on a second.
Ooh.
Not on there again. Yeah.
Well, I got him with these pliers.
Don't let him go.
Oh, don't worry, he ain't going nowhere.
Okay.
Alright. Should I probably just release him then?
No, because he eats the bass in here.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh, well, I'm gonna turn this off real quickly and edit this part out so I don't get any hate mail. Okay, so update for you. We were getting out and everything just like broke loose. I mean, it just like randomly came in out of nowhere. So, and then Jake hit his shin on, he hit his shin on the hitch.
I believe when they said it does hurt.
Think about it, it's a ball of metal.
Yeah, I'd rather have my leg chopped.
Oh.
Look at it behind us.
Oh my gosh.